How to view passwords for other apps saved in your Google account. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open any of the Google apps. For me, I will open Gmail. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left or top right of your screen and then tap on the Manage Your Google Account option you see there. Further, tap on the Security and Sign In option and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Password Manager. So tap on the Password Manager option and now in the interface that you will be led to, you can simply scroll through and tap on the option whose password you are looking forward to see, or you can also tap on the search option you see there and search for that exact account. Further, tap on it and then you will be able to see the password tab, or before that you might need to verify your account. So verify it's you and then tap on the password option and then tap on the eye icon in order to unhide the password for that particular account. So this was about how you can view passwords for other apps saved in your Google account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.